Africa has seen the rising of the sun over Botswana, bringing with it the dawning of a new day and the promise of a bright and prosperous future.
We are the right country to be at. And I say that with humility that it deserves, but I do believe in certain areas we have bragging rights to say what I'm saying. We have institutionalized governance in the country as a whole. And we are a very transparent government. We are predictable. You know as an investor when you come in what is likely to happen and how it's going to happen, because that is who we are. We change our government. For us, it's non-event. It's a non-event because we change it seamlessly every 5 years, and that is what we are known for. Primarily as a ministry, we are charged with the responsibility of creating wealth for the nation. We have to provide a conducive business environment for business to thrive. We have done that through a number of initiatives. First of all, pieces of legislation that we've put in place to ensure that the environment is right for trading, for competition, for competitiveness in general. We have also come up with structures that support that, structures such as Botswana Investment Trade Center that is there to handhold investors to reduce government bureaucracy that is not naturally associated with doing business in a number of environments.
Botswana is open for business, and with global industry wanting to sink their roots into the rich soil of our beloved country, and local businesses wanting to establish themselves on the global market, the Botswana Investment and Trade Center is well equipped to move the country forward as we give business a helping hand.
We are the lead national investment promotion agency, and one of our primary roles is really to facilitate investors to be able to gain a foothold within the local commercial or business landscape.
Botswana wants to make your investment work for you, ensuring no foreign exchange controls or restrictions on business ownership, allowing remittance and full repatriation of profits and dividends, and even offering duty-free import of machinery and equipment for manufacturing purposes.
We will provide or allow you access to land if it's so required by your business. We will assist you to gain government authorizations with respect to registering a business, business licenses, as well as work and residence permits. So we do offer a fully ranged bouquet of value-added services to foreign investors as well as local investors who we find to be deserving of the services that we have on offer.
BITC has leveraged Botswana's favorable business environment and enticed many investors to the country. Shrenuj Botswana, a global diamond jewelry company, is one such investor who is attracted to Botswana by BITC, who are able to ensure an enabling business environment thanks to our country's positive platform.
We are well known as the most politically stable country within the sub-Sahara region. We have achieved significantly with respect to macroeconomic stability, economic growth, and these have been achieved over sustained periods of time.
Botswana is also key to a massive international market. The country accords investors preferential access to SADC's entire marketplace of over 230 million people, as well as duty-free access to South Africa, Namibia, Lesotho and Swaziland, and both duty-free and quota-free access to the EU market. This is why BITC has been able to secure an extensive export market for businesses like Flowtech, the manufacturer and distributor of PVC and sewer pipes in Botswana.
We are in Angola today because of BITC's help, because we went with them in the first instance in 2003, and since then we have been in BITC.
Chloride Oxide is very grateful to BITC. They introduced us to a lot of customers in the SADC region, in Mozambique, in Namibia, in South Africa, through exhibitions, through seminars and through trade delegations that we went with the ministers to. And today our important customers in some of these SADC countries are the ones that have been introduced to us from BITC.
The quality of Botswana's workforce is second to none in Africa. There are no labor tensions, the workers are well educated, and as a whole, the people of Botswana are peaceful and responsible. BITC is proud to be part of such a nation and drives wealth creation for Botswana by creating platforms that will instigate increased citizen participation in the economy and create sustainable job opportunities.
BITC has offered practical interventions that have allowed us to continue consistently and to be able to sustain our efforts. Practical interventions like subsidies for exhibitions in international destinations like Milano, like New York, like London. They've also assisted us with premises to help with rental costs, to soften the blow, so to speak. And also just being supportive partners in our efforts. There's a spirit of togetherness, kind of an alignment in what we want to do and what the country is trying to achieve overall.
We engage with private sector, we engage with businesses, and we understand what challenges that they may have to become productive and competitive within their commercial space.
BITC also significantly contributes to improvements in Botswana's investment climate through policy advocacy, aimed at ensuring facilitation of a competitive business and investment climate. This, together with Botswana's commitment to sound microeconomic policy, has led to Botswana having one of the fastest growth rates in per capita income in the world. This is sure to continue thanks to BITC's unwavering determination to secure new investors, such as Seven Star Steel Pipe Group Pty Limited.
Well, Botswana's business environment is mainly government-driven. You have no foreign exchange controls. In our company, where we import raw materials, it's very convenient where you can purchase foreign currency and remit it out freely and efficiently. Secondly is what we have found out in our experience in Africa that Botswana really has one of the lowest levels of corruption. Now that's very important in any foreign businessman coming to start up there.
Why Botswana, you ask? Why not? Botswana is stable, peaceful and trustworthy, having been consistently rated as the least corrupt country in Africa by Transparency International. As BITC, we firmly believe this to be the land of blue sky opportunities. Stable, secure and sustainable Botswana, your ideal investment location.
We really are working towards a business environment in Botswana that is arguably very competitive. Competitive in the sense that investors would look at Botswana, would compare us with places such as Mauritius, Rwanda. So we need to get to a point where the competitiveness of our environment is world-renowned and is spoken to or spoken about by all those who are looking for investment destinations.
The Botswana Investment and Trade Centre for investment attraction, export promotion and development that is driving Botswana's economic growth and fueling a brighter future for all.